Welcome to Bilbao, a lively city located in the beautiful Basque Country of Spain. Get ready to be enchanted by the vibrant energy and beauty of this city. Walking the streets of Bilbao, you will discover the charm of the old city. Cobbled streets led to delightful boutiques, lively pinzos bars and lively squares where you can sample local cuisine and soak up the warm atmosphere. Bilbao is a city of contrasts, organically combining rich history with modernity. Edinburgh is the capital of Scotland and one of the most beautiful cities in Europe. It is located near the east coast of the island of Great Britain, facing the North Sea. The city, which became the capital of the Scottish Kingdom in the Middle Ages, has countless historical monuments. Edinburgh captivates not only with its majestic appearance, but also with the surprisingly romantic atmosphere preserved here, which inspired prominent writers, poets, and thinkers of the Scottish Enlightenment. Tallinn is the capital of Estonia, a city with a long history and a major seaport. It is located on the isthmus between the Baltic Sea and Lake Ulemiste. Even in the 20th century, the delightful atmosphere of old Europe continues to reign in Tallinn, and tourists from all over the world do not stop flocking here. Only in Tallinn can one truly feel the true spirit of the Middle Ages, which seems to permeate the very air here. Kathmandu is the capital and largest city of the state of Nepal. Its cultural and historical center, Kathmandu lies in the mountainous valley of the Himalayas, at an altitude of more than 1,300 meters above sea level. Life in the Nepalese capital is always busy. Crowds of people walk along the streets, and motorcycles and cars accumulate in spontaneous traffic jams. Car horns, cycle rickshaws, whistles, and the melodious tinkling of ritual bells are constantly heard. Tourists who have visited Kathmandu note the goodwill and smilingness of its inhabitants. Thank you for watching this video. If you found my video interesting and want to know more about my adventures, please like the WebTV channel and subscribe to it. You can also leave a comment and leave a review. See you, bye-bye.